Behold, children are the heritage from the Lord, the fruit of the womb a reward. Like arrows in the hand of the warrior are the children of youth. Blessed is the man who fills his quiver with them. He shall not be put to shame when he speaks with his enemies in the gate. Childhood is one of the most important part of a human life, and we see children are nurtured and cared by parents. That is why children are not having any worries about the future or past, anything. They are living for the present situation. That is why wherever we see children, they are always in a playing mood. When they get friends, they play with friends. When they are alone, they also play. So they are very happy children. But what happened in this world, some of the children do not get that privilege. Some of them lost their parents. Some of them do not be cared by the parents. Unfortunately, we can call them as forgotten children.
मेरी मम्मी गुजर गई और पापा बरौली में रहते। मेरे पापा की याद आती।
मेरी मम्मी पापा गुजर गए। कभी कभी मम्मी की बहुत याद आती।
Children, for their livelihood, they start begging from the very childhood or labor for something. Some children go in a very different way also. But most of the children, they themselves earn something. And most of the cities we see that children are begging or children are laboring.
मेरा नाम रोशन है। मेरा एक भाई है और एक मेरा बहन है। मैं छोटा था तभी मेरे पिताजी गुजर गए, इसलिए मैं एक मटन शॉप में काम करता था।
It was in 91 I met my wife and we got married in Goa, and in beginning of 92 we came to Bombay.
We both of us thought to work among the street children so that the children from the streets may come up well and for their bright future. We thought to do something. We landed in Kandivali. There we rented a room and there we started staying, and then going to the slums and streets. We found many children. We were really going and meeting them, teaching them.
Slowly the children started coming to our home, and our home was used like a daycare home. Children used to come to our home in the morning time, and we used to teach them. We used to give them one time food and some snacks, and in the evening time they used to go back to the railway station where they were staying. So it was going on like this for many years, and we thought to help them in a permanent way, and we were with a great desire, we were trying to do something for them. So one of the time when we were gathering a group of children in Kandivali East, one of the small boy who was just 4 years that time, he came and sat in front of us, and we found that in his clothes there was lot of blood stains. So we asked him why it is happening. Then we come to know that this boy's name was Roshan, and he is working in one of the mutton shop, and those shopkeeper give him one vada pav and a cutting chai. So this was the whole day he was getting. And when we made inquiry about this boy, we come to know that his father died in an accident when he was painting outside a building. He fell down from there after breaking the rope, and he died after 2 days. Then the mother also became mentally sick, and she was not able to take care of her children. But giving one time food or giving some money, it will not help. That is why we thought to take these children to our home.
We also thought we cannot keep the children to our place for a longer period when we don't have any documentation. So we tried to form a trust in 2003 so that these children are safe and sound and nobody can question us.
As we are standing in the AVR now, 2002 we have taken children, but 2003 we have registered as a Compassion Charitable Trust. Since then we have taken children from different places, different slums and different locations. Some 3 children we have taken from Kandivali East, Damonagar. Then we have taken 5 children from Kandivali railway station.
My name is Rama. मैं बोरोली से हूँ.
My name is Raja. मैं यहाँ पे 7 साल से.
My name is Rahul. I'm studying in 7th standard. I'm living here 7 years.
Our day starts at 6 o'clock. Children get up and they get ready. By 7 o'clock they will be ready for the school, wearing uniform.
मैं जाऊं सागर से गहरा, उड़ जाऊं अंबर से ऊंचा, फिर भी तुझे मैं पाऊं मेरे साथ. कोई नहीं तेरे बिना, कोई नहीं तेरे बिना.
7 o'clock they go from here to school. Then till 12:30, quarter to 1 they are in the school. They come back by quarter to 1. Some volunteer teachers comes to teach. Different day, different subject taking teachers are coming.
7 sevens are 49.
7 8 are 56.
56.
7 9 are 63.
63.
7 10 are 60.
60.
70.
70.
मैं यहाँ पे एक पाजर फाउंडेशन से आई हूँ. इन लोगों ने इन बच्चों के लिए कोई टीचर्स अरेंज किए जो एवरी डे आते हैं यहाँ पे. अलग अलग टीचर्स आते हैं, अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट के लिए, अलग अलग स्टैंडर्ड्स के लिए. उनमें से मैं हूँ. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिन लोगों को पॉसिबल है क्या आके, जिनके पास स्किल है और जिन लोगों को पॉसिबल है कि आके ये ऐसे बच्चों को हेल्प करें, उनको बूस्ट करें, क्योंकि समाज का ये एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो अगर उसी जगह पे रह जाएगा तो समाज के लिए भी हानिकारक हो सकता है. ये बच्चे बहुत डिप्रेस रहते हैं, उनके कोई नहीं है. जो एटमॉस्फेयर से जो उन लोग आए हैं वो उनके माइंड से निकाल देने के लिए क्या हम लोग भी है उनके पीछे, ये दिखाने के लिए अगर कोई और भी लोग आए आगे तो वो अच्छा है.
As we are running this orphanage, we sometimes face problems for food and other outgoing expenses. Still, sometimes we get enough food and other things. Sometimes we find a shortage of it. In the monsoon, we had a lot of problem. This year monsoon, because of some land filling on the lower side, we had a lot of problem here. The house was also filled with at least 2 feet of water. From government, we are not getting any aid, but we have given the application and letter to the government authorities, but so far they haven't come here. Also, we have some good friends coming, like as you know that one Uncle James, he comes almost all day. He brings something for children to eat. Sometimes he cook from his house and he bring the food for them.
I've been coming to Daya Vihar since the last 10 years. Apart from Daya Vihar, I've been visiting several ashram and slum areas from Churchgate till Virar. I would request people who can afford should try to visit all these places, whatever places they can, and see what the needs are and try to help them out. If you want the blessing of the Lord to come upon you. I, by the grace of God, due to these children prayers, they pray for me practically every day. It's because of the prayers I am standing in front and talking to you. I know the blessing what I have got from above. And I praise and thank God for all this.
He is very helpful to us, and we want to thank him. Same way, we have other people also. Sometimes they bring some groceries, some clothes, some stationaries. So we are running with that, and we want to thank everyone for that.
आज मेरी मम्मी का श्राद्ध है। मेरे मन में ये था कि चलो हर बार पंडित को बुलाते हैं तो चलता ही रहता है, इस बार ट्राई करें। मेरा मन था कुछ करें ऑर्फनेज के लिए, तो एक छोटा सा ट्राई मैंने कहा स्टार्ट करें और आगे जैसे जैसे क्या कर सकते हैं देखा जाएगा। तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे मतलब ये बच्चों को थोड़ा स्वीट्स लेके आया, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बेसिक नीड जो इनको माँ बाप का प्यार है नहीं मिल पाता है, तो कम से कम माँ बाप का प्यार तो हम लोग इन्हें नहीं दे सकते। जो खुशियाँ हम अपनी तरफ से भले थोड़ी सी एक मिनट के लिए ये लोग हमारे जो हमसे मिल के खुशी महसूस कर सकें, वो थोड़ा अपने को लगता है कि वी आर पास्ट। हमको लगे हमने वी हैव डन द सम गुड, कुछ अच्छा किया।
We are still doing some construction, like one big classroom we are making. So the work is going on.
Some of the children, they are 18 years. They have now left the orphanage and gone back to some work, got employed, and they are now standing on their own feet.
मैं वहाँ पढ़ के मैं अभी 12th भी हो गया मेरा। फिर मैंने सेंट फ्रांसिस से मैंने अपना ITI कंप्लीट किया। फिर उसके बाद में मेरी जॉब लग गई। अभी मोटर मैकेनिक में मेरे को होंडा में जॉब लग गया, तो मैं वहाँ अभी काम कर रहा हूँ, जॉब कर रहा हूँ। और पिछले ही साल में मेरी बहन की शादी भी हो गई। उन्होंने ही जिन्होंने मुझे संभाला बचपन से, जॉन चको, उन्होंने मुझे संभाल कर उन मेरी बहन की भी शादी एक अच्छी जगह में करवा कर दी।
So it is the grown-ups or the adults' responsibility that they have to take care of the young generation, because they are the growing one. They are the one who going to handle the world in the future.